Just put one if you guys can hear me. Just put one if you guys can hear me clearly. My mic is...
No, now it's better. Now I hope you guys are able to hear me clearly. Just put one in the chat. We'll keep the chat rolling. Yes, amazing. So let me just quickly share my screen and get the career talk rolling. We are streaming as well on our social media platforms. So just someone of you can check and confirm in the chat if you're able to see us on LinkedIn, YouTube, as well as Twitter. So thank you everyone to be part of this amazing career talk. This is our 118th career talk. So thank you everyone to be part of this amazing event. And before I go towards our amazing people, let me just stop the timer and let me share my screen and give you guys some rules that are there. So as you guys are pitching, if I would request you to switch on your cameras because we want to give your full attention. We have a lot of people listening to us. The judges, I have requested them to join. Some of them may join in the middle as well, but the session is getting recorded and they will be getting the recording sharing as well. And if you want to write any specific question, please write the chat. I will monitoring the chat accordingly, and I will keep muting it if there is too much noise out there. If there is an option in the chat, if you can just go and disable the chat preview if you don't want to get disturbed while you are giving your presentation or while you are listening to your our amazing participants that are there. So these are some of the house rules. You can raise your virtual hand in the end if you have anything to ask. And I have put the list of the people who are giving the demo. We have 5 people as of now who have confirmed. And for the people who are joining in from our other platforms who don't know, just put in the chat how many of you are participating in the challenge. Just put one in the chat. How many of you are participating in our AI building application hackathon that we are doing as of now? Amazing. Just put one in the chat. So we have a lot of people who have participated. So just to give you guys a background, let me just share my quick screen for people who don't know the context. Some people are saying zero, which challenge? So we run a AI application building challenge almost every 2 months. We run it one time. This is our current challenge. So we did one challenge in August that some of you are part of. I can see in the group, and we have done another challenge in September because this is our one of the biggest challenges that we do in the year with Gitex Global. Just put one in the chat if you know about Gitex Global. So yeah, I think people know about Gitex Global. Someone is asking what is Gitex. So Gitex is Gulf Information Technology Exhibition. This is one of the largest AI and tech events in the region. And we have been Decoding Data Science has been a partner to this for the last 4 years because they have seen how much value that we are giving and talking about AI education, AI awareness. And that is the reason why they are supporting us by this initiative and getting collaborated with reaching out to more and more people. So this is what Gitex is. If you are planning to come visit, this is one of the biggest events, biggest networking events. I am doing a workshop and we are doing the winner announcement here as well. The top 3 winner announcement, top 5 to be in fact, because we're clubbing both the challenges together. And lot of fun is going to happen. You will meet a lot of people. We have a lot of side events as well, which I will talk about later. But this is the challenge. These are the people that are there. This is the leaderboard. So we have a leaderboard. 20% of the points will come from the leaderboard as well, depending upon how the person has submitted. Some submissions have happened. Amazing projects have been. We have talked about. I will talk a little bit about it later. First, I wanted to give away the mic to our challenge participants in 2 minutes. But this is the challenge. I will share you this link. If people who don't know about the challenge, you can go here. You can look at the challenge. Maybe in the future, when we are doing any other new challenges, you can participate in this and explore how you can build your specific project that is there. Now, I will not take much time because we have a lot of demos. What we will be doing is just we have, let me, Shivraj, if we will be starting the demo. Just switch on your cameras and raise your hand so I know where you are. And let me just share the let me just so one request from people that are there, uh, who are giving a demo. When you are sharing your screen, when you are sharing the screen, there is an option to stop annotation. So do that, because sometimes some people are putting some annotation and you're getting disturbed. So this is just one thing that I am requesting. Whenever you share your screen, there is an option not to allow any other people to annotate, so that you will not be disturbed. Or if you have a working link, Shivraj, let me unmute Shivraj. You want to you have a working link or you have a deck? I have unmuted you.
Yes, I have working link. I will try to share it here.
Yeah, try to share it, or else you can share your screen. If there is some issue that is going on, then I can stop sharing and then I will take over. Or else, once you click share, there is an option to stop annotation, so that no one annotates. And because I don't want any disturbance to happen midway between the community. Okay, cool. So over to you. Now I have given you access to share the screen and your time. So just to be, everyone should, we have only 5 minutes. I will be stopping at 5 minutes maximum. So please respect the time, because we have a lot of demos. Over to you, Shivraj.
Yes. Okay. Hi all. Good morning, good afternoon. And I'll be talking about AutoXRD. So I'm basically a computational material scientist. So this is an app that I built for X-ray diffraction. And this is an experimental tool that has been used mainly for like material science, physics, mechanical engineering, also in medical fields. So I'm trying to build an AI app for this particular instrument, experimental instrument. I will talk more about it in the coming slides. Um, so I just want to mention a couple of things here before I go on to the app, that this is not an independent app that I built. This is, as a material scientist, as a computational material scientist, I'm building series of these small tools. And as you can see here, I have been a serial participant in these challenges, AI challenges here. Like this is my sixth challenge. And I have built every challenge that I participate in. I'm building each of these tools. And today I will be talking about this Auto XRD, and these collectively, these tools, I'm using it at my workplace to build something called as materials engine. Okay, so all these tools that I'm building as a part of this challenge, every time I build one tool that I'm using at my workplace. So these are very useful as a material scientist for metals, alloys, polymers, whatever kind of material that you can think about in manufacturing industry, in aerospace, oil and gas, nanomaterial. So here I have just listed some of the possible materials, and this Auto XRD will be useful for these type of materials. So little bit about this Auto XRD. This is basically an X-ray diffraction. So this is the machine, X-ray diffraction machine. What it is used for is to identify the composition of the material and the phases. Let's say you have a steel rod, or let's say gold ring or diamond. You want to identify what is its actual composition and phases inside it. So the way it works is there are these incident X-rays and which are diffracted, and then there is this collector which collects this detector or collector which collects this X-rays, and this results in this results in this peak, this type of graph. And from this graph you can identify this phases. So those like the science students from your high school physics background, or even from your engineering background, you would have heard something called as Bragg's law, which is like n lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. This is very common physics, one of the physics laws. And those who are like in not yet in high school, they will come across it in due time. And these are its uses. So now I will just show you a couple of real life examples, and then I will go to the demo. Okay, so let's say you have this gold ring and you want to identify whether it is true, whether it is fake, or whether it is genuine. And then you can run it through this X-ray diffraction machine and try to identify its composition. Similarly, let's say you have aeroplane wing or this engine part. If there is any failure, you want to identify what has been happened in this during this failure, what is causing this failure. You can try to see if there are any stresses, strains that is causing this failure. So these are some of the just couple of real life examples. So I'll go to this auto XRD that I built. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it is a very simple layout. Here, basically, you put on this XRD pattern, something like this, for the material that you have. And there are a couple of examples, 2, 3 examples as well I have given. Once you put, you can click on the predict and then it predicts. Let's say I take this lithium ion battery. So if you know, these lithium ion batteries are very commonly used in your phones, laptops, a lot of electronic devices that you are using in your Android or Samsung or let's say iPhone mobile, these are being used. And once you click on this, so there are these some of the examples. It will take little bit of time to predict this. Let's see, it is little bit slow. Yes, okay. Then it predicts what are its compositions. So it consists of lithium, phosphorus, and oxygen 70%, and then iron oxide 20%, some other components. Similarly, you have alumina, which is very commonly used in manufacturing sector. So I have this. Okay, it will predict its composition as well. Just a minute. Just it will take few seconds more. Yeah. Here. Yeah, so it predicts its composition. Similarly, you can just whatever, once you run the sample that you have, you can get its XRD pattern. Let's say here I have silver, and then it predicts. So you can just click on predict, and it will predict the composition. So it will take a little bit of time, but I will move forward with the presentation that I have. Okay, so the way it is being done in conventional way, there is a lot of heavy pre-processing and post-processing that needs to be done, and one XRD pattern analysis of one XRD pattern can take somewhere between 8 to 10 hours. And this thing, the AI powered app that I'm building, this is not yet perfect, but this is a good first approach, I would say, and it would reduce down from hours to minutes, maybe in half an hour. And the technical tools that I used for this are like Google Gemini model, and I'm using the GenKit AI agent to like for natural language processing and providing some additional inputs. There is the dataset, open source dataset that I'm using, and the machine learning model, the common machine learning model like neural networks and image recognition, these kind of things. Okay, so just a couple of minutes more, Muhammad, and then I'll be done. So it will have a lot of impact for industrial profession. You can consider any industries for research and scientists. This is being used very commonly in technology institutes, research institutes, and by scientists. And I'm also using like in my I work for a technology industry in Abu Dhabi, and this is where it is being used. It is also useful for students and academics and R&D departments. And the potential impact, it has lots of cost saving, time saving, and accelerated development and deployment of the samples and analysis. Yeah. So to conclude, I built this compared to this traditional analysis. I built this app, the AI powered app, which is useful for this X-ray diffraction. It is useful for like different fields, physics, chemistry, mechanical engineers, material science, and also in the medical field. You know, in medical field as well, they take this X-ray diffraction images. So this will be also useful for there as well. So with that, thank you all, and I'll be happy to take any questions if there are any.
So thanks a lot. First of all, it is an amazing presentation, and the way you, I saw the whole chart. So this is one of the biggest success cases for these challenges. And also, just to tell, Shivraj is you are part of the 4th cohort, right, Shivraj? Just to
Yes,
be,
yes, yeah.
so Shivraj is also one of our AI resident students as well, and he has tried to build these projects. And as you can see, one of the biggest outcomes of these challenges is not winning the first prize or the second prize. Is it to build your portfolio? And he's already he's already having a job. So but he's building a portfolio for himself. And as you can see, he has a broader vision. This is your 6th challenge you mentioned, right? 6th
Yeah,
challenge.
6th challenge. The first challenge, I built something else which was not related to material science.
Amazing, amazing. So
Yeah.
thanks a lot. Yeah, feedbacks is like, it is good. Continue the journey. Just about little bit about latency. Just try to see how you can. It's a tough thing to balance everything, but latency is something that you need to also see how you can make it little bit, if possible. If not, your idea, your domain knowledge and everything is good. And also try to experiment with some prompts, like how is it getting some evaluation, like you ask a specific question, you get an output, and try to
Yeah.
see how it is behaving, so that you can
Okay.
customize your code a little bit more to make it more efficient. So that is all a type of iteration process that you do. So thanks a lot,
Okay.
Shivraj, for this
Yes. Thank you.
amazing presentation, and best of luck. Any other,
Thank you.
lot of
Thank you.
people are putting on the chat and as well as on LinkedIn, amazing project. And you can reach out to Shivraj if you want to know more about this project. If anyone of you is in the material sciences as well, he will be happy to guide you. So thank you, Shivraj.
Yes. Yes.
And we'll
Thank
move
you. Thank
to
you.
our next amazing participant. Let me pin you. And thank you, Shivraj. We will for your presentation and your Kritika. Let me know when we can start the timer for you.
Yes, I'm sharing right now.
Yes, yes.
One second. Can you look my, can you view my video, sir? Screen?
Yes, we can see your screen. Can I
So,
start the timer?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can.
Yeah. Best of luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Kritika. This is my fourth challenge I'm participating. This time I have moved a little more deeper, like to improve my technical skills and cyber security, to improve my knowledge. I built this AI Sentinel. It is a log anomaly detector. Let me first do the data set. Excuse me, sir. Some kind of issue is coming there.
Yes, so you need to stop the annotation. So there is some people are looking in the pad. So stop sharing your screen, and there is an option. Right click, stop annotation. Okay, they just click your sharing the screen, and there is an option called stop
I
annotation.
couldn't find
Because
anywhere. It says
when you share your
share.
screen, there is an option. Just click that button. Uh, you will have an option, and then stop
Yes, sir.
annotation.
Annotate.
Yeah, stop annotate. Just click that.
Yes, sir. I did it.
Yes, now yeah.
Okay.
Can go carry
Yes.
on. Yeah. So everyone, just a reminder, when you're sharing your screen, because there are some people who are looking on the mobile or iPad, if they touch the screen, it starts annotating, or there is some issues that are happening. So okay, carry on.
So first, let me load the data set so that it won't, it will not take time for me to do the other. I will explain in the time being. So this is my log anomaly data set detector. What it does is it is used mainly for when you send a data set with log. I used deep learning technique here to build my model, the auto encoder model. What it does is it will take the log data sequence, and it learns that model, and it will find what normal pattern looks like. Then it will find the unusual and it will, if we send a data set like log data sequence, it knows the normal pattern. If it based on the threshold, based on the reconstruction error, it will detect the anomaly. What I have done is I use the HDFS data set here. It is a benchmark worldwide famous data set. I use the pre-processed data set only here to build my autoencoder model. It is a deep learning model, and based on the reconstruction error. So what first it does is it will first encode the data set. Then from the compressed one, it will decode the data again. So based on the difference between the input and output, it will find the error. So for a normal pattern, the error will be zero, or means it will be less equal. It would be approximately equal, or equal to the threshold, or lesser than that. For anomaly, it will be greater than that. Using that, we will find the anomaly pattern sequence. So next is that what I've done is I used Crew AI agent system here. After detecting the anomaly, I am sending it to the Crew AI agent multi structure system. What it does is it will detect the anomaly. Then it will find the severity, or critical, major, or minor. Then based in simple and action agent, what it suggests is it will suggest the resolution. In simple English, it will explain what the anomaly is about. So main idea of this, main idea behind this is like I used it is mainly for a learning purpose. This application I have developed to for cyber security and everything. So I have used the pre-processed data set only, the HDFS. It was cleaned one. So first we are uploading the data sample and we are finding the anomaly from here, and then we are calling the our agent reasoning. What it do is I'm showing one per severity, one in critical and one in major and one in minor. So this is the reason, and it is GPT generated only. The reason and suggested action, or as of now, it is GPT generated. I have used only the light guardrail that it shows that light weight guardrail only I have added. What it does is it will remove the invalid text and the responses. But in future, I will make sure that the GPT responses are 100% correct, or whether the GPT created response and actions are correct according to the log data sequence. These are my ideas, and this is the first time ever I have done the CI/CD implementation also in my GitHub. What it does is I have deployed it in the Streamlit cloud, and I have used the CI/CD implementation. Mainly, what it will do is whenever the code is updated, it will it will automatically deploy the app. So it's a complete full deployment app I have done this time. Actually, I want to thank Decoding Data Science community for this wonderful this one challenges, because using this I'm learning many new things, and I'm keep upskilling myself for different things. For each challenge I am doing like the new things I'm trying out. This time usually I build only very easy applications that is easily understood by everyone. This time I wanted to push myself a little more deeper. So I've used deep learning model, and I've used the crew AI agent, multi-agent architecture, and also I have use the CI/CD implementation, everything together as a project here to improve my learning skills and to show how I am improving in the challenges also. So this is how my project works. It is mainly for this HDFS data set is it's a benchmark world data set. It is used in Yahoo, YouTube, and LinkedIn everywhere. So the sequence will be open, reading, writing, that kind of sequence. So I use that only. So the suggested action, everything reason will be based on that only. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Yes. Thanks a lot, and amazing. I have seen your progress, and it is amazing. This project is a little bit complex and beneficial as well. So thank you for this. Continue on the testing part, as I was telling Shivraj.
Yes,
Is
sir.
you need to also test out how the output is coming and how you can improve your prompt, especially the system prompt.
Sure,
And
sir.
as always, as well as it's always a improvement. The UI UX also can be spend some time to make it a little bit more
Yes,
better or structured, because think about a user will not you have to think about user perspective. Keep it as simple as possible. Maybe we have some more drop down options, and nowadays you can use the help of AI to make these front end quicker and faster. So if anyone opens your application, they should not see so much information. They should only see limited what is required, and
sure,
then
sir.
work towards it. So thank you very much. There are a lot of
Sure,
feedbacks
sir.
coming on the chat as well on LinkedIn. Thank you for that. And
Thank you
we
very
will,
much, sir. Thank you.
yes, thank you very much. We'll move to the next one. Can you just raise your hand? Where is Rukaya? Rukaya, and let me just share my screen. Whenever people are sharing your screen, there is an option. Just click more, and then do. There is an option of annotation. Stop sharing, and there is an option. I will just try to take a screenshot and put it for you guys. Disable annotation for others. So please do that, because there are some, I don't know, is it by intention or just to disturb the participants? And we are getting it a lot nowadays in our free events, which is a very sad thing. but you need to do that now. So whoever is sharing their screen, make sure that you are doing this. Rukaya, can you raise your hand? Can you switch on your camera, please, if you don't mind? Yeah. So Rukaya, once did you see my message on the Zoom chat? When you're sharing the screen, just make sure that you click the disable annotation. Okay, let me unmute you. Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear
Can you
us?
hear me? Yes, I can hear you, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Good, good. So can you please, you saw the screenshot? You need to disable annotation for others. I put it on the chat. Okay, you can share your screen.
Yes, just a sec. I'm doing it. So I just clicked on share and I can't really find anything that says to stop annotating.
First, you need to first you need to share your screen. After you share your screen, then you will get that option. You're not sharing anything as of now.
Yes, I am sharing it, but it's not working.
No, I cannot. 1 second. No, we cannot see your screen. You need to click share.
Yes, I'm clicking the share screen, but apparently it's not working.
Yeah, something is coming and going. Just can you click and just wait? Just click once. Share the whole screen.
Okay.
Can you give? Yeah. I think there is some issue in your Zoom there. Can you give your working link of your application?
Yes. Do I send it on WhatsApp?
No, send it on the Zoom chat so I can open it.
Okay, just a sec.
Osama, please keep everything ready. Osama, you're next. Keep everything ready.
Sir, if you want someone else to start first, because I might take a while to be able to share my presentation.
I don't need the presentation, just the working link for now.
Okay.
Yeah, just the working link of the app. Okay. I think just after Osama, you can do it. Just keep everything ready. Just send the link on the chat, and then we will do. Osama, can you hear us? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you try sharing your screen and make sure the annotation is disabled?
Yes.
And let me know when you want to share your screen. We have one of our mentors who have joined, Prabhakaran. So Prabhakaran, yes, if you want to add something, please raise your hand, and you can put in the chat if you have anything specific. Yeah, your screen is loading. Can you? Yeah. So do you get the disable notification option when you click when you click more? When you're sharing, there is an option, click more, and then disable annotation.
Yes, I did it.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can. Yeah, let me know once we can share. Start the time.
Yes, I did.
Go ahead. Yes. Best of luck, Osama.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes.
Can I start?
Yeah. Start. We started the time.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sama, and now I'll be introducing my AI application that I've built for this challenge. Well, basically, it's an web application, which is an AI studying mate, which helps students with their lectures. I've made it in Arabic, so in Syria we are Arab. So it's simply like you upload a file. It was hard to find an embedding model which supports Arabic and math at the same time. Like there's not a lot of free models out there. You know, like I could have used.
I think we lost him. I lost him. Anyways, okay, let me just. Okay. Rukaya, I am sharing my screen. I have your app open. If you want to share about it, let me share my screen. And This is, I've opened your app, the one that you have put on the.
Yes. Do I just start?
It is loading. Is it a working link that you have shared?
Yes.
Okay, maybe it is taking some time. It is. Yeah, you can start till it loads. You can start what you are trying to
Okay.
build. What have you done?
Hi everyone, my name is Rukaya and I'm really excited to share my project with you called Truthlens. It's an AI-powered app I created to help people figure out whether the news they see online is real or fake. My motto says it best, trust isn't assumed, it's verified. Now we all scroll through social media every single day and see tons of information, but not all of it is true. You see, fake news actually spreads much faster than real ones. Around 70% of fake news spread faster than the truth, and that's a huge problem because it confuses people and spreads misinformation everywhere. So, I wanted to create something that makes it easy for anyone to check if what they're reading online is true or not. That's where Truthlink comes in. It's simple, fast, and powered by AI. You just paste the news, and in seconds, you'll know whether it's trustworthy or not. Here's how it works. You copy any headline, article, or even a link you want to check. Then you hit the Analyze button and the AI reviews it using the data and trusted sources. A few seconds later, it tells you if it's real or fake and even explains why it made that decision. Now, before we take a look at my app, I wanted to clarify that I tried to make this app as simple as possible to make it easy to use for a wide category of people, whether they have less knowledge in technology or not. So unfortunately, as my screen is not shared, I'm not able to give a demo example. But as you go down, you could see that you could either paste a text or a URL link of like a headline of specific news or an article, and it will be able to tell you whether it's real or fake.
Okay, I'm doing it for you. I'm just taking one
Okay.
article. This is from the news, and I'm just putting it here, and then I'll click analyze text, right?
Yes.
Analyze text.
And it clearly gives an explanation why it made that decision and tells you whether it's real or fake.
Great.
Okay, so let's take a look at the.
It also understood the link from where we have got it.
Yes.
From CNN. Okay, cool, amazing. Carry on, carry on.
So let's take a look at the technology behind Truthlens. You see, Truthlens uses natural language processing and machine learning. Basically, it reads and understands kind of like a human would. It's trained using data from verified fact-checking sites, so it can recognize patterns in false or misleading information. Now, you're probably wondering, who's this app even going to help? You see, this app actually helps many people, whether it's students who need reliable info for school projects, to journalists who want to double-check stories before publishing, even regular people who just want to know if that what they're seeing online can be trusted. Now, building Truthlens, I actually faced a lot of challenges. It doesn't mean it was a no-code, low-code platform that it was easy to build. The truth is, finding a good no-code platform that was both flexible and affordable took a lot of testing. I also had to make sure that the AI could understand different kinds of misinformation, from text to links, and explain its reasoning, which was the hardest part. Plus, I had limited time and data for testing, which made things trickier. So my goal is to make Truthlens free, accessible app that anyone can use to fact check news easily. I really believe that if more people take a few seconds to verify before sharing, we can have the internet a lot more trustworthy. I would like to thank everyone who watched my demo for Truthlens, and remember, trust isn't assumed, it's verified. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any feedbacks, any questions? Can you tell me this you have developed? This is a no code low code tool that you have used, mgx.dev. Is it something like? You're sorry, on mute. Wait. Yeah. Don't mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Okay.
So tell me. So you have used a no code low code tool. This is something I'm looking at for the first time.
Yes, it's a no-code, low-code platform. It
Great.
helps create the different apps for AI.
Great. And this is a very good project that you have done, and you need to continue working on this. You are from GEMS, I understand. You're from GEMS school.
Yes, I am.
Amazing. Great. Which grade?
Thank you. I'm in year 9.
999. This is your first challenge, right?
Yes.
Yes. Amazing. So this is something very important. Why did this idea come to you?
The truth is, see, as I scroll through social media, I see many fake news spreading about different people and different things that are happening. And it confuses lots of people. Like, people start sharing it online and talking about how, like, this is true and this is not. And it just gets really confusing for people. So I thought, why not create an app that will probably help people to be able to tell whether the news they're seeing online is real or fake, to help the community become a better trusted place.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much and best of luck for this amazing project. Keep working on it, make it more better. Think about how you can also have some uh, genuine resources of news articles added to this website for people to use, or think about how user experience can happen. Like there is an option to uh, attach a link, or to there is a button, that an app, that when you are reading something in news or something, that truth lens is working on the background, and it will detect and tell this is correct, this is not correct. That is going to be also an amazing step to take this project a little bit further, because the lot of people consume news from social media or these platforms, and your app should be like a layer between them, like an extension. Like suppose you open a any website or any channel, and this is working in the background to check what you're seeing is actually true or fake. So, and this is an amazing project, and best of luck for this, and continue your journey. And as the other participants continue doing the challenges more and more, so you learn, you make Truth Lens version 2 in the next challenge, and you keep working on this better. So best of luck, and we will try it, Osama. So let me just try to,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, I have unmuted
Hello,
Osama.
sir. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
yes.
Sorry, like it's bad internet.
No problem. You can just take over from where we left. You were talking about your Arabic AI tool, that is something in Arabic. Yes, AI study
Yes,
mate in Arabic.
I mentioned
Yes.
that it's like used to help students with their lectures. Can I like do this? How can I? Oh. Okay. It's to help students with their lectures. It's like a rack system, which uses an embedding model, which embeds the lecture, and then take questions, put it into a generating a model, and gives the student the answer. So it was hard to find a model which supports Arabic files. So after like a long search, I found a free model on Hugging Face, and I used Gemini 2.0 Flash to generate answers. Here it says like upload a file. Here's the status of the upload. Here's some introduction to users. Here, for example, it says upload a clear and readable PDF. Here, ask questions in like a clear way and understanding language. Here it says like ask specific questions to get specific answers. You can ask in Arabic or English. This bot remembers the conversation, so you can say like explain more. It can remember up to the last 3 questions. And in case it gets like hallucinations, or it said, I didn't find the information, just clear the chat and start new. Here you can clear the chat. Here you can type your questions. For example, I will test it on 2 files, an Arabic and an English file. Here I have an Arabic file, which is an statistics lecture from my university. Just here, as you can see, it's just math and math in Arabic, like it says statistics. So I'm going to upload the file now to the website. Here, I choose the lecture, then it starts uploading, and then the embedding. Just, I have poor internet, so please wait a little bit. Like, did you say anything? I didn't hear you. Sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Carry on.
Yes, it's just uploading now. I'm sorry, like it's really bad internet here in
So
Syria, as
tell me
you
more
know.
about the tech stack. Tell me more about the tech stack.
About what?
The tech stack. What is what?
The file?
No, no,
Oh,
the
here.
model. What model you are using?
Yeah. The embedding model, I used an open source model from Hugging Face. It's called the BAAI/BGM3. Like as you can see here, it says it's uploaded the file, and now you can ask anything. So like the first question I'm going to ask, like what is the file about? For example, here's send. So the file is about vertical statistics, for example, like mean and the standard deviation. So I'm going to ask, what is the formula of the standard deviation? You know, like it's math. I need the formula. What is the formula of the standard deviation? It takes a little bit of time because like it's an Gemini API. Here, the formula is a square of sum x minus, and like it's explaining everything, like where this means this, x is like, and so on. So I can now clear the history and ask again in Arabic, let's say, just to try it. I'm going to ask what is the file about, but in Arabic. Here, as you can see, like it says, the about is talking about statistics, the range, the mean division, like Arabic and English, and so on. So, like this, is how it. I can say even like explain more in Arabic as the question is. I'm sorry, maybe like it's taking a lot because like the internet. Here, like it took a lot because it was a long answer. Here it's explain more, and like it explained more and a lot. So now let's test it on the English file. Let's see if it's understand like English. Good. Here I have another file, which is a tutorial how to practice for competitive programming, as I'm like a competitive programmer. As you can see here, like it's a simple English PDF with like graphs and some like formulas and other stuff. Now let's test it if we understand it correctly. Upload the file again. Let's wait for it.
Yeah, that's fine. I think we have only very less time. We need to move to other participants. So thank you for this.
Maybe just like 30 seconds, sir, please.
Yeah, sure, sure. But you need
Huh.
to think about how you can make this faster. There are so many
Like, it takes
LLMs
a lot
right
of time.
now. No, but you can. There
Yes.
are ways to make it faster. You need to see other options. 20 seconds for processing is a big time. I'm not sure.
That's true. But like because it's a free open source, like I could use an OpenAI API, but you know it's paid, and I'm serious, I don't have like payment methods or some stuff. Like I'm asking that I'm rate 10,000 on Code Forces. How can I get higher? Like just for testing.
Did you use by any chance GROQ? There is a Grok option, GROQ. Just Google about it. It is the
Yes,
one of
yes,
the
I know that.
yeah.
It has
Just
like a
try
lot
to.
of
It is free. It is free and it is
yeah,
faster.
it has free.
And you use a
Thank you,
smaller
sir.
model. There is a smaller model. You don't need to use a big model, because if you use a big model like 70 billion parameter, it becomes slow. So you can
Yeah.
use a 9 billion parameter model and run it.
Yes.
and then you will see the time will reduce, because nowadays when you're building an app, right, Osama,
Yes.
people cannot wait for more than 10 seconds, 15 seconds, I'm telling you as a mentor,
Yes.
for your
That's
better,
right, sir.
how to make version
Thank you, sir.
2.0. Version 2.0,
Well,
you need to include these things. Whatever you have done, I
inshallah.
really like the logic. You have used Arabic language. The user interface
Yeah.
is nice. Just I'm giving some feedbacks. And anything else you want to end before we move to the next one?
Just like it's a little bit slow because it's working on free Hugging Face hosting, and because it was hard to find a embedding model which understand Arabic, like a free one. So just that's the case. And thank you, there, for the feedback. And I really want to thank Mr. Muhammad and the Decoding Data Science for this opportunity. Thank you
And
a lot.
also just mention in the chat which is the embedding model you used for Arabic. The one that you said is nice, the free one.
Yes,
Just
yes.
put on the chat.
Like you can. Yes, it's like in the documentation, and you can get the source code from Hugging Face and from my GitHub.
Okay, thank you.
Like
Thank you.
everything
Just put the
is
link on the
mentioned here.
chat. Just put the link on. Some people are asking on LinkedIn. Some
Yes,
people are asking
yes.
on LinkedIn about this question,
Like
about the link.
my chat is disabled,
No,
as you
I
can.
enabled it. I enabled it because there was some disturbance by some people, so I enabled it. So
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
cool.
Thank you.
Who's the next person? Your name, Mathu Shaulika. Before Mathu Shaulika, I will request one of our mentors. He has taken the time and he has joined. Do you want to just give few words, Prabhakaran, about the different uh,
Yeah, so definitely, Mohammed. So Osama and Rukaya, they did a very good presentation, especially for Rukaya. She is coming up with the latest, most wanted topic, I would say. She has given the good presentation as well as good idea she has taken. And Osama also, as you mentioned, right, we need to speed up the things. Other than that, it is working as expected. So maybe we can tune that, and he also did a good job. So I just joined little late, so I'm able to see these two people presentation. It was really awesome, and when they're studying in a school and they're coming up with their, I mean, thinking power in the latest trend, it's really good. I would say that I would congratulate their hard work and the thinking of AI implementation. Maybe we can proceed
yes. Thanks a
further
lot,
demo.
Prabhakaran.
Yeah.
And where is Osama? I cannot see him. Anyways, thank you. We have our next participant. So, Mathu, let me unmute you. And what I request you to do is, when you're, you can share your screen and let me know when I can start the timer. I have given you the option to share your screen. And can you hear us, Mathu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. So you can share your screen, and once you share your screen, you can let me know. I will start the timer, your 5 minutes timer. Okay.
Yes, sir. So before I start the pitch, I just want to confirm. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Feel Away app.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Can I start the timer?
Oh, yes, sir.
So can you please stop the notation? Stop notation, stop sharing, and stop. There is an option. Right click. When you're sharing the screen, there is an option I showed you in the chat as well. Can you see that option?
Sir,
When you
unfortunately, I'm not able to find the option.
when you share your screen, there is an option more. Just send me the link of your app. Let me share my screen, because
Okay, sir.
there is an option more, and then you need to click disable next time, because that's the reason. I don't know. Some people are. What is happening? I don't understand. Cool. Let me share my screen. But this is a very good learning for me. Okay, cool. You can start.
Okay, yes. So, hello everyone. I'm Madhushalika Muthukumar and I'm a second year computer science student. Although I've done a blockathon before, but this is my first independent AI project. While I was doing my project, I had the opportunity to explore how artificial intelligence can be applied to solve real life problems. Through this project, I want to experiment how AI and web technologies can create solutions to some practical and real life problems. So I've developed an Feelaway, which is an web app that provides personalized mood-based travel itineraries, combining AI and interactive map, and also at last you can generate an PDF to make your travel planning easier, faster, and more enjoyable. So, planning often takes a lot of time and effort. People spend hours researching destination, comparing prices, and trying to plan activities that match their interest and budget. So, I've created Feelaway app to solve this problem by providing a personalized mood-based travel plan using artificial intelligence. The main idea behind Feelaway app is to make the travel planning smart, quick, and personalized. Instead of manually searching for destinations, users simply select their mood, such as it can be adventurous, relaxing, or romantic, and they can also choose their budget range. Based on these input, my AI app generates a complete and customizable travel itinerary plan tailored with the user's mood and spending preference. So here's like a quick demo of how my app works. So if you do not mind, can you like try giving in the inputs? And so
Okay, adventurous,
as you can see, like
adventurous.
right now,
Okay.
sir is giving in the inputs, and the moment he creates generate itinerary, my app will analyze, my AI will analyze and give solutions accordingly, and it will also give you an map and a PDF to download and use it for future use.
So this is something like an itinerary app, but depending upon your mood.
Yes, depending upon the user's mood preferences.
Okay, amazing. So adventurous. Okay, so they understood this.
Yes.
Okay, so they gave all the details, the notes. Oh, also they're giving images as well. Amazing.
Yes, sir. I have also added that as an extra feature for my app.
Ah, this is amazing. So they give the map as well. The this thing.
Yes, the map also. And you can also download the itinerary.
This
So
is
you can save it for future use.
don't you think there is one more filter you can add that is like the type of traveler, solo traveler, family, couple, back what is that called, backpackers or something like that? Is that going to help in changing some of the
Yes, sir.
filters?
It could be added as an additional feature. I didn't add that because they're choosing the mood. Yeah, so according to the mood, like can generate. Yeah, but I would add this. I would add this. Thank you for the.
But it looks nice, it looks nice, and I think I met you in our UE AI camp, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you
Thank
for
you
doing.
for that opportunity, sir. Thank you for
Yeah,
giving me
I
this
hope,
opportunity.
yeah, I hope you enjoyed this challenge. You were able to build something nice. So thank you for this. See, I'm always trying to give my students better feedbacks. So what you have done is amazing. I'm just telling some ideas how to improve it to version 1.0, 1.2, because that is what people do in our challenges. They come, they build a simple app, and then every challenge they try to make it better, more, design wise, experience wise, as well. You can also try to have a budget. You have already written here budget breakdown as well, so this is also amazing. So
Sir,
uh,
actually, this is like my small prototype. I actually have like some other extensions to add, but I haven't done that. I'm currently working on it. Like, I'm planning to add like a real-time weather update as well as
ah,
hotel recommendations and also like transport options, so the people can get a clear view of how they can, like continue with their.
yes, Yes,
Sure.
because this, if you're planning to do that, you also need to add one more filter. Where are you currently? Like my current location. Like if I put India and I'm in the UAE, so you're getting it, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
people
Yes.
will be able to calculate the options that are there, and so yeah, yeah, amazing. Keep it going, and best of luck for your final submission that is there.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, sir.
Yes, thank you. So we have 2 minutes. So I first of all I would like to thank every participants. This session was amazing. I really enjoyed the demos that are there, and thank you everyone for participating. Just a few messages that I want to everyone to give. I'll just take 5 minutes of your time if you give me permission, and I just want to give an update about the next steps that are happening. Uh, as all of you know, we are having tomorrow. We are having a community meetup. Just put one in the chat if you guys. How many of you in this room are from the UAE? Let me see on LinkedIn as well. We can see a lot of people are there. So yeah, if you are in the UAE, please try to come and meet us physically. Online is good. Today, the people who gave the pitches are mostly not in the UAE, or they cannot come to the event. So what we have done is we have given that option to do it online. But people who can come physical meetup, you can look at some of the demos, meet people one on one, and take it further. Let me just quickly share my screen and show you guys about this meetup, and we'll request every one of you to just register and try to come for this event. So this is our pre-GITEX event that is happening, and you can try to register for this event, and try to come, meet the community, look at some amazing demos, some amazing lightning talks, and take it further. So this is one message that I wanted to give. The second message that I wanted to give, someone on Slido also mentioned, they asked me one question regarding how many of you know about our AI residency program. So some of the participants have gone through this our flagship program that we run every 2 months, not because the demand is there, so we are doing it every 2 months. So please, you just put one if you know about this. If you don't know about this, you can also put zero. So I can just take 1 minute to just educate you about how to apply for this cohort and what are the next steps. So I have given for the every week that I am doing in the community, I am having a Slido link. When I say Slido, it's a snapshot of people asking a lot of questions. So I try to analyze those questions, and let me just, because this is I want all your support for this. That's the reason why I'm sharing it again and again, because as a community, we want to do this. Lot of people are, yes, so a lot of people are coming here and asking questions on the chat, so we're not able to answer it. So you go to this website, upvote some of the questions. So every week I try to see all the questions that are coming. If you don't have any questions, you can put the like button here and ask your specific questions that are there, and I will try to answer everything on the call, or I will try to make a recording and do it. So there are some questions regarding the AI residency that I was there, and I just wanted to take 1 minute of your time to share it. So people are asking about GITEX. Results will be announced. You are most welcome to come to GITEX. The results are going to be there on October 13th at 12 p.m. at the AI stage in GITEX. You are most welcome to come. We will be announcing the top 10 people on August 12th. So anyways, if you are in the top 10 or top 11, you are most welcome to come and be part of the celebration that is there. So let me quickly show you our AI residency. Just take 1 minute. I will just show you this, and then we will and there is a lot of questions regarding this. A lot of people are asking us this specific question. So I thought I will just take 1 minute to share with all of you this particular website. And all of you can look at this website. I will share it on other social media platform as well that is there. So this is our 8th cohort that we are starting. So we'll go through this website. If you like this program, you want help in learning about AI or building AI applications, you can apply by just giving you 4 details. The team will reach out to you and get in touch with us. So we cover 20 weeks step by step of how to build these applications. And some of the top participants who are you are seeing have already gone through this program, and they know what has to be built and what are the steps that needs to do. Every Saturday we have 2 hours master classes, we have workshops, and we do multiple activities to not only learn the theory but actually apply those concepts to build applications. So every one of you go through this website, even if you're not planning to join now, maybe later, but follow this track, because I have spent a lot of time and energy to build this particular thing. So go through this website, and the winner of the challenge, as all of you know, is going to get 100% scholarship to join this challenge. So you can be lucky enough to get this in the scholarship. And you yes, there are some questions coming on the chat. Just stay back till the end. I will take all your answers, Polly, Sarah, everyone. Let me just complete, so because someone on LinkedIn has asked about this question. So you will be able to go through this, and even there is a recording. There is a proper LMS platform which has everything that is there. So go through this. This is one of the best programs that we have taken around 2 to 3 years to bring everything at one place, and everything that you want to learn, there is available. There is a scholarship available for students as well. We have been featured on the national newspaper multiple times. These are some of the success stories of some of our amazing students who have completed this program and have an amazing outcome of this in better jobs, better businesses, and whatever it is. And you can have a look. We have some special campaigns running as well, where we are combining a lot of things as well. And people who are joining this AI residency in the coming few days before GITEX, we are also giving them an all access pass that is worth $953, that is 2,500 dirhams, absolutely free as a gift to join the new cohort and be part of this amazing journey. So thank you, everyone. So this is it. You can go through this link. Not only this, there are other 6 things that we are giving together after people complete their AI residency. So this is like a one-stop solution for everything that you need. So you can have a look at this, you can play around with it, and get in touch. Now let me take some questions that are there. So the winners, yeah. So now let me just take some questions on the chat. October 13th, 12 p.m. in GITEX AI stage, that is the top 5 people are going to get announced there. But the top 15 from both the challenges are going to be announced on October 12th in our community meetup. We are going to announce the top 10 people there, and the top 5 people we are going to announce there. Top 15 and top 5. So this is the numbers that we are going to announce. I have already mentioned this in our WhatsApp community as well. Please look at all the chats, and you will be getting all the information. Polly is asking, no, you will not be having any presentation. You will only have to give me an online link of your application. There is no deck sharing and all. I will just open the link like Mathu has done. I will just share the link. You will only get 2 minutes there to speak about your project, and that's it, because we have a lot of things planned on that event. We have lightning talks, introductions, and 2 minutes for you to talk about your product quickly and what you are trying to do. And just I will be opening the app, so you need to give me the working link of the demo beforehand. Put it on the WhatsApp group in the list that I have shared. Please put it out. That is there. I mean, is there any other specific questions that are there regarding the challenge, regarding the submission? And please note one thing, that 11:45 p.m. Will be the last time for submissions who have not yet submitted. No, you don't need to go to the event. If you are in the top 10, then you should come. That is not a problem. Where should we submit? On the WhatsApp group. The link should be on the WhatsApp group. I will take it from there. The event is going to be tomorrow. The event is going to be offline. The top 15 people that we are going to announce, the finalists, are going to happen on October 12th in our meetup. So it is going to be on a Sunday afternoon. Same next week. Next week, same time. Next week, same time. and it's a good question. Next team, same time, you need to, we will announce the top 15 people, and there is no, it's not a mandatory for you to come, but for the top 5 people, I will try to reach out to them because we want them to come on the stage. So I will personally reach out to the top 5 people so that I make sure that they are coming, or else we need to see how it works. So whoever is asking, if you are in the top 15, then you should plan to come to the GITEX event. If you are not, then it is up to you. Anyways, GITEX is not only about our event, there are thousands of other things that are happening there. So I think you should plan. So thank you everyone for being an amazing audience. Can I request Prabhakaran, Mathu, Rukaya just to switch on your camera for a last selfie screenshot and a good wave and a thank you before we wind up the call. And thanks a lot for being an amazing audience and staying back till 1:10. And I tried to answer all the questions. I'm getting a lot of questions on LinkedIn and YouTube. I will reach out to you later on. I will try to reply to each one of you. And thank you for being part of this amazing. Anyone else wants to switch out their camera before we move out? Rukaya, Prabhakaran. Okay, no problem. No force. Amazing. One more. I think Rukaya was off. Thank you and have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.